Hello everybody, Mincy here, and this is Missing Hiker, where your cousin Terry, or whatever his name is, goes missing on December 11th, 1994. Your brother Ethan is missing for around 24 hours. He went on a hiking trip near the Red Mountains. He should have come home yesterday. I went to the local police. They said they don't have the resources for a search right now. So I decided to take matters into my own hands. Did I not? Did I not play this game? This looks exactly like... Huh? Okay, I guess this might be the updated version of the game then. Jeez, can I go on? Oh, I can do controller. Let's go. This looks exactly like the missing driving home game. It's identical. I should park at this gas station to ask if they saw my brother. I think this is either a sequel or it's the updated game to driving home. What do you want? I'm searching for my brother. He went missing while hiking in this area. Sorry to offend you, pal, but that's not my problem. Also, you shouldn't just randomly approach people like this. Especially in this area. What do you mean? Hey, look man. I worked pretty late. I just want to grab some snacks and beers and drive home. I'm not in the mood to talk with people I don't know. I understand. Sorry for bothering you. You know where my brother is? What can I do for you, sir? I'm searching for my brother. He was hiking around this area. He should have come home yesterday. Have you seen him? How does your brother look like? He has brown hair and is pretty tall. He also has a green backpack. Let me think for a second. Yeah. I think I saw your brother actually. He came in here and bought a few things, some water and a few snacks. You trying to find him? Have you told the police already? Yeah, I did in fact, but they said they don't have the resources for a search right now. They said they only start a search if a person is missing for more than 48 hours. It isn't the first time someone went missing in this area. At least a handful of people went missing there in the last decade. People talk a lot. I've heard rumors that there are strange screams and weird noises coming from the woods. So you should be careful, especially going there at this time of night. There's a road right behind the gas station leading to the mountain. Make sure to stay on it. There could be dangerous wildlife in that area. Thanks. I'll make sure to stay safe. Take care. Take care. Whoa. Alrighty. I'll need some coffee. So, a long drive. Plant-based milks. Rutella. What are you, milking a nut? What am I supposed to fill up with gas? Or do I walk there? The classic Mercedes. And then a Beamer. What am I supposed to just walk over there? Turn up the volume on the game, it's pretty quiet here. Slenderman. Snow. Am I supposed to be walking up here? I couldn't get into the car. So I assume that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. I don't know why I just didn't go in my car, but my brother's tent looks entirely different. I should still take a closer look. How do we know this is his brother's tent? Is it jump scare time? I'm looking. Holy shit. Well, you scared the shit out of me, bro. What do you want? I hope you're not some kind of pervert or creep. I'm not. I'm searching for my brother. He was hiking in this area. Have you seen him? Nope. I haven't seen him. You don't even know how he looks like. Look, man, I'm just some guy that likes to hike in a woods and sleep in a tent for freezing conditions. I haven't seen anyone in days. I understand. You're planning to go deeper in that forest? Yeah, I'll search around the area. Hope I can find my brother or least traces of him. Look, you'll probably think I'm a stoner or something. But last night, I had my tent a bit up north. And I heard weird noises coming from the woods. It sounded like a child was crying, but I didn't see anything. It creeped me out. Maybe it was a cryptid. Yeah, he's definitely a stoner. A what? Look, man, you carry? What do you mean? Big bag of weed? Talking about a piece, you know, something for protection. You mean a gun? No, I don't. Then you shouldn't be here in the first place. It's way too dangerous to go deeper in the forest at night. I'm not going to stop you, I just want to sleep now. So one last thing. Don't creep up a tent in the woods at night ever again. I almost would have shot you. Well, I guess I'm glad you didn't. Me too, good luck with search. Boy, you scared the shit out of me. It's getting really cold. I should set up my tent on the left side of the road. Oh yeah, convenient plateau over here. My fingers are pretty numb. It's hard to build the tent. Yeah, nothing bad's gonna happen, right? It's cold, but I'm falling asleep slowly. Slowly. What was that? Daniel over here? I think I heard someone scream. Blah 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 blah. Need to check. Could be my brother screaming for help. It's probably just the dude. Or is it the cryptid? Hey bro, you good? And there's a massive light back there. Don't know how I didn't see that before. Oh yeah, I totally didn't see the shack in the middle of the woods there. Bright ass light coming from it. That's my brother's backpack. It's completely empty. Backpack. Backpack achievement. Oh, and I can't run. Of course I can't run. What's gonna happen here? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? What? You gonna jump scare me? I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I ain't scared! I'm not scared, bro. I'm not scared, bro. I don't got nothing. Nothing. What? It wanted me to inspect something. Someone made a picture of my tent and my car. I just heard audio cue. That was an audio cue. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Your body was never found. That was the exact same jump scare sequence from the driving home game. I think this is by the same exact creator. He just makes these short little horror games. So there you have it. That was Missing Hiker. That was super short. Like 15 minutes right there. No, not even. But yeah. This guy makes pretty similar games, and that driving sequence was the exact same from the driving home game. But yeah, that was Missing Hiker. If you enjoyed, see you next time.